however you have it prepared. Now, the earliest records we find for my Buchanan family are in Ireland in the 1810s, where they lived in a small rural district or townland, to use the Irish term, near the town of Castledurg. In fact, you see that the northern border of Learmore actually is right on the River Derg, which flows past Castledurg. And one of the old family stories is that the children would walk to Sunday school and back. And as we can see from this map, it was probably only a mile or two from whichever property they were farming to Castledurg, where they would attend Sunday school, probably at the Church of Ireland, since 3 of the oldest children were christened in the Church of Ireland. For a bit more context as to where this is located in the overall scheme of things, we can zoom out and we see that Learmore is in the western part of County Tyrone. To the east, we see Lough Neagh, which is the biggest lake in Ireland, and the seaport of Belfast off further east. And across the channel, we see Scotland. Okay, let's move along here to the next scene. Here is a historical map which shows the area. And amidst all the lines, here are the borders of the townland of Learmore. And this is about 1 square mile of land. I think it's 406 acres or something like that. And on this site, you can slide the slider to increasingly more modern views, but certainly for my purposes here, the historical view is of more interest. Here's a picture of Learmore area as it is today. Looks like pretty good farming land. And here from Griffith's valuation of Ireland, which was basically a tax survey, we can see the 18 farms that were in Learmore. And we can click on details here. You know, this obviously you have to be on this website in order to have that functionality. But I chose to look at the farm of John Hempel, and notice that these are all tenant farmers. They do not own the properties, they rent them. And here the landlord is Sir James M. Strong. And the location is in County Tyrone, in the barony of Omagh West, in Castledurg Poor Law Union, Ernie Parish. Townland is Learmore. And that's basically what it has there. Google Maps is a very useful feature. You know, it does not show the townlands here, but one thing it can do very effectively is to show distances and travel. So later on, the family moved to Binawutta townland, and the easy way for me to find that is to look for the contemporary Bin Mountain Wind Farm. So they came south, and then in 1847, during the height of the Irish famine, they traveled north to the seaport of Londonderry, where they caught a sailing ship for Canada. So here you can see how Google Map allows us to quickly and easily show the story of how the family has moved over a period of time.